Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome. Today, in the weekend edition, Saturday, Sunday, September 7th, September the 8th. It's actually today, Sunday. We have here in this additional of the weekend edition 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letters Sudoku, the 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this afternoon. And in the evening, I will do the samurai Sudoku. Alright, the first one will be number 9233. 9233. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. One digit more than usual. The 3 stars has extra 25. This one has 26. Should be a 2 stars puzzle. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, the publisher has indicated with 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 2 stars or a 3 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about the number 5 in this column, 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next on that column. Only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5, 4, 4, 9, 9, 6, 6, 5, 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row, so the row between. The only place left for the 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in that row, so the row between the middle row. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. But we already have a 5 in the second column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the second column, so the third column. The only 3 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in the third row, no 5 there. 5 in the second row, no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see this number 1, number 5. Alright. Well, in this big square we have a triplet. 6 missing numbers. 3 of those missing numbers are the 4, the 3, and the 7. We have 4, 3, and a 7 in this column, so no 4, 3, and a 7 in these 3 boxes. 4, 3, and a 7 goes in those 3 boxes. We have 7 here, so no 7 there, so the 7 could be here, could be there. And the 4 and the 3 could be everywhere. Well, what are the other 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4, 5, 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 1, 2, 8. 1, 2, 8. Alright, cannot fill this yet. That means the 6 and the 9. That means we have the 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column, so first column. The only place left for 9 should be there. So 1 number left in the first column for number. The 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing here. Need a 1, need a 4, and I need an 8 here. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 8. We have 8 in the last row, no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square should be there. So the 1 and the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. 1 in one of those two boxes. In the last row, 1 in the row above. So that row, the only two places left for the 1 should be here. Or there, we have 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be there. 8, 8. 7 here. Then, let me see. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. Well. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next. The only two places left for the 7 should be here. Or there, we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Four missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 6. Yeah, we have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these two boxes. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in that box. So 1 box left for the 6 in this first row should be there. 6, 6. Then let me see. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are numbers 1 and 4. We have 1 and a 4 in this column, so no 1 and 4 in these two boxes. 1 and a 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Let me mark those. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, and the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 9 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places left for the 6 should be here. Or there, we have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below, so last row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here. Or there, we have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6, 6. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here. Or there, we have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here. Or there, we have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6's are used. I can see digit number 2, number 6. Alright. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 3 should be there. So here can be a 3 and more, 4 and a 7. Okay. Need a 7, need a 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Need a 4, 1, 7, and the 2 is missing. 2, 2. Okay. 1, 4, and need an 8 here. In this column, we need an 8. Here can be an 8. We have an 8 in this big square, so no 8 there. Here can be an 8. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. So the 1 and the 4 are left now in this column. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 or a 4, we have a 1 now, so this box should be a 4. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row, so the row between the only place left for the 8 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in the last row, 3 in a row above, so that row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left now in the last row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. Wait. I need to wait. One of the missing number in this row. 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this row is the number 1. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this row. Should be there. 2 numbers left now in this row for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8. 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. 2, 4. And the 7, 2, 4, 7. 1, 1. Come on, come on. I need a 1 here. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2, the 9, 2, 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there, so 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. Let me mark those. 1, 2, 8, 1, 2, 8, okay. Let me think. 1, 4, 7, 1, 4, 7. 3, 3, need a 3 there. Well, 7 here can be a 3 anymore. We have 4, 7, 3. We have a 4 now in this row. Second row, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4. Should be here then. Here can be a 4. Because these 3 boxes are reserved for the 1, 2, and 8. Alright, so the 7 and the 3 are left. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 7 goes there. 1 and a 7, we have 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Then 2 and a 3, we have 3 in the second row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Then let me see. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 4 goes there. 1 box left now in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Then 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left where the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left in the first row for numbers. The 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left now in this column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have 7 in this last column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and a 9, we have 2 in the last column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in the last column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9. 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in the second row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. No 1 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1. Oh, 2 and 8. I've marked those 2 and 8. We have a 2 in the second row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And 8 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well. Is this a 4 stars? 3 stars collection. Don't think so. Should be a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes. Not the 3, not the 2. Alright, we solve it again. I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it to solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye. for now.